Meet the Lanvia Vegetable Cutter, your ultimate kitchen upgrade. Tired of spending too much time prepping veggies? This clever tool combines a sharp stainless steel blade with a built-in cutting board, letting you chop fruits, veggies, and more in seconds. It's perfect for salads, stir-fries, and even quick snacks. And it's not just scissors, it's a multi-tool. Remove fish scales, open bottles, or even slice steak with ease. Plus, its safety lock keeps you protected when it's not in use. The ergonomic non-slip handle makes it comfortable to use, even for extended prep sessions. And when you're done, just toss it in the dishwasher. Why settle for less? Upgrade your kitchen game with the Lanvia Vegetable Cutter. Click the link to grab yours now. Say hello to the Aldami Heavy-Duty Kitchen Scissors, your new kitchen workhorses. This 2-pack gives you a pair of ultra-sharp, heavy-duty scissors that tackle everything from chicken bones to delicate herbs. The premium stainless steel blades are built to last, rust-resistant, sharp, and durable. With larger ergonomic handles designed for comfort, these scissors make even the toughest cutting tasks easy, and the built-in spring takes the strain off your hands so you can keep going without fatigue. Need more? Use them to open bottles, scrape fish scales, or even as a nutcracker. They're dishwasher safe for hassle-free cleanup. Upgrade your kitchen for less. Get the Aldami 2-pack and experience cutting made simple. Click below to order yours today. Introducing the Ratapeng Kitchen Scissors, the ultimate kitchen tool with a genius storage solution. Never lose your scissors again. These multifunctional kitchen shears come with a magnetic sheath that sticks to your fridge or oven for easy access. Cut through chicken, veggies, pizza, and more. The stainless steel blades are sharp, detachable, and super easy to clean, even in the dishwasher. The non-slip, ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip for everyone, lefties and righties alike. Make your kitchen smarter with Ratapeng scissors. Click the link to get yours now. Jocule Kitchen Scissors, trusted by over 1 million happy home cooks. This 2-pack features ultra-sharp, rust-resistant stainless steel blades that handle everything from raw chicken to food packaging. They even double as a nutcracker and bottle opener. Cleaning is a breeze. Wash by hand or toss them in the dishwasher. Plus, their ergonomic non-slip handles make every cut smooth and easy. With 2 pairs in the set, you'll always have one ready for any job. Upgrade your kitchen with Jocule scissors today. Click below to shop now. Prep faster with the Lanvia Vegetable Cutter Edition. This innovative tool combines a razor-sharp blade with a cutting board to make chopping veggies, fruits, and even chicken a breeze. It's more than just scissors. It's your all-in-one kitchen companion. Use it as a fish scaler, bottle opener, or steak slicer. And don't worry about accidents. The safety lock keeps it secure when not in use. Cleanup is simple. Just lock it and pop it in the dishwasher. Don't wait. Make cooking easier with Lanvia's new vegetable cutter. Grab yours now by clicking the link.